Welcome back to another video, guys. It has been a while. It's been a couple months, maybe more, I'm not sure, but we're still here. We're still doing stuff. We're in the brand new shop. Trust me, it is a mess because we just have stuff everywhere. The last video we made was with the dirt bike back there. Kind of hard to believe, but we have new trucks, we have new toys, of course tractors, we've been buying, we've been selling, we've been doing a lot of stuff, but we're gonna start making these videos again, jumping back on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, I'll put it up here or somewhere on the screen. Make sure you go follow me over there. But for now, we have to do a 50-hour maintenance oil change on the tractor. Now, I went to the store and I was planning on doing hydraulic fluids, front fluids, kind of everything. But after talking with the maintenance team, they said the main thing you want to do is that first oil change. So that's what we're focused on today. And we're going to go around, grease everything, try to hit all the grease points. Otherwise, welcome back and let's jump into it. Hope you enjoy the vid. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. And off we go. Alrighty, underneath the tractor here, we have two different sides of the oil pan, one on each side, and they have their respective bolt, one at a time because we only have one oil pan. Alrighty, that's about it. Quick oil change. We're gonna run around, make sure everything's greased up. We do have some underneath. We greased everything that we could see on top the other day, but there are some underneath, so we're gonna get on the creeper. We're gonna run around, grease those up. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video. Nice quick vid, just a welcome back. We're gonna be making more vids. I will give you a little sneak peek of the new truck because the white one is gone. So, whoop, there we go. It's an awesome truck. Once again, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll post some sneak peeks on there. Next video, we'll be going over the truck. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe. Otherwise, we'll catch you later. Have a good one.